Hey guys, we have yet again a Mr. Porter unboxing. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a discount code for this one, but it's all worth it. You guys already know this. Opening the box, what you will see are the receipts. So these are the papers, and I will not show the details on that. We have here the stickers with the details for returns for whenever an item is damaged or not as described. Now that we're done with that, let's take the box and open it up. Can you guess what's inside? I'm so excited! And guys, it is a Celine item. And judging by the size of the box, you probably know that it's an SLG or a small leather good. But can you guess which leather good it is? And here it is. Ta-da! It is a leather belt. I believe this is called the Triomphe, in the size medium and the color navy. It may not resonate well on camera, but this is a navy color. And I specifically chose this color because the finishing is different from that of a black one. I also chose this one because of the hardware. It is in stainless steel or maybe palladium or silver and not the gold hardware. This way, it is more flexible in terms of styling it and using, pairing it up with your outfit. This is again in size 85, which is my size. I think the hardware is a little more minimalist compared to their other hardwares. It says Celine on the buckle and nothing more. Right away, I noticed the belt is very light. The materials used is very good. It is well made and it is perfect. Now looking at the holes, I know for sure that I will need to punch holes in the middle of these for additional flexibility in terms of resizing or loosening up or tightening the belt. As per my other belts, I've had holes added to them because my waist tend to expand, especially after a meal, and I want to be able to adjust my belt to be able to breathe and live. So yeah, that's the belt for you, and it's just too bad that I had to order this online because I'm really building my purchase history at the Celine stores here in Manila, here in the Philippines. But it's too bad as well that they didn't have my size. So low EQ and Mr. Porter always delivers.